Hi guys, thank you so much for showing so much love for our Jashn Bahara choreography. We really loved all those beautiful covers that you all have been sending us. And for the ones who are yet to send a cover, don't worry, let's begin the tutorial. The choreography begins from the second stanza that says, Humne jo tha, nagma suna. I recommend you to sit in such a position where you are comfortable as well as it looks graceful. This is my right hand, this is my left hand. Let's begin. It starts with your right hand coming to your heart and left hand palm facing upwards. Okay, so right hand, left hand. Bring your right hand up again and take a circle where my left hand is over. From here, I just take my right hand like I'm going to listen. So overall, it will look something like right hand, right hand, circle, listen. My left hand did nothing, it just became a support to my left hand. From here, we go on. It starts with your right hand again. Take your right hand to your heart, left hand to your heart and crunch. While I crunch, I look at my hand. While I'm crunching, my hands just go like this. Okay? So, from here, it looks like right hand, crunch. Now, wipe your left hand with your right hand and select or choose your ring finger with your right index finger. Okay, so overall it looks like Dil ne tha usko chuna. Overall, from the top, it would look like Humne jo tha nagma suna, Dil ne tha usko chuna. From here, we make a fish with our hands like this. Simple right hand over the left hand. And then open the hands like it's a book. So right hand, left hand. From here, you make a clock with both your hands like this. Again, right hand up and index fingers out. And you go 1, 2. And this time my left hand is over and I make a shell with both my hands and bring it to my mouth like this. From here, I'm going to be depicting like I am going to speak something or talk something, like someone is going to be listening while I talk it out. So for that, I'm going to show you the hands. The hands go little finger, ring finger, middle finger, index finger. Little finger, ring finger, middle finger, index finger. So after the shell, I bring it to my mouth. Make sure it is in front of your mouth and not down or up. Right at your mouth because I'm going to talk something. Okay, so it goes like little finger, ring finger, middle finger, index finger. Okay, from the top, it looks like right hand, right hand, circle, listen. Right hand, crunch, pipe, select, fish, book, opens, clock, 1, 2, shell, mouth, 1, 2, 3, 4, and bring your hands down. When I bring my hands down, my mudra is something like this. It can also be like this, easy, but make sure it's more or less on similar lines. So you finish here, you do 1, 2, 3, 4, bring it down. From here, I just go right hand and left hand. My hands are doing nothing. I'm just opening my palm, turning it up, opening my palm, turning it up. From the top, the whole section looks like this. हमने जो था नगमा सुना, दिल ने था उसको चुना, ये दास्तान हमें वक्त ने कैसी सुनाई. 1, 2. Remember, this is happening after the words end on the music. We finished this step. From here, I'm just going to take my hands behind and make a circle. It's going to be a very small circle with my upper body going a little behind. So back, center. From here, my right hand will go to the left side. So go, flip, bring it back. I'm going to do the same thing with my left hand. So left hand, flip, bring it back. The total thing looks like back, center, right hand, left hand. I'm just adding one bit. After you finish your right hand, left hand, I'm just going to open my hands. This is happening 2 times. So 1, 2. Make sure all these movements are small and quick because you don't have much time to do it really loud and big. Okay? So the whole section looks like 1, 2, right hand, left hand, open, open. From here, my left hand will go behind my head and my right hand is going to point with my index finger from the left to right, as if I'm pointing out to somebody or somewhere. Okay, so the whole thing looks like back, center, right hand, left hand, open, open, point out. From here, my left hand will again become a stand or a support for my right hand, and my right hand will come from up to say no. Okay, remember your knuckles have to face outward and not by the side. Alright, so the whole section now looks like, from here it looks like back, center, right hand, left hand, out, out, point, out, look, no. From here, I use my right hand out, left hand to hold it. My right hand goes out with my index finger out so that my left hand holds it. I bring my hands in and my head simultaneously goes down. So, right, left, down. Now I look up and I wave with my hands. So, right to left, 2 times. So, from here, I did right hand, left hand, down, up, wave, wave. I'm also not doing very big waves, I'm just doing small waves. Alright, so the whole thing from the beginning now looks like back, center, right hand, left hand, out, out, point, and say no, right hand, left hand, in, up, wave, wave. After the wave, your left hand has to go to your waist, and my right hand is going to show the palm outside from the left to right like we did for the pointing step, but this time it's going to be open. So left to right. Once you reach the right, you will flip your hand up 2 times, and at the second time, once you finish one, second time you will look on your left. Once you start looking on the left, you will not change the direction of your face. So the whole thing now would look like back, center, right hand, left hand, out, out, point, and say no, right, left, down, up, wave, wave, out, up, up. From here, you use your right hand to come down, your left hand to come down. Now you will look. This is when you look and you nod upwards. The whole section now looks like back, center, right hand, left hand, out, out, point, and down, no, right, left, in, up, wave, wave, out, up, up, right hand, left hand, look, nod. On the words now, it would look like हम जो घर है गमगी वो भी उधर खुश तो नहीं मुलाकातों में है जैसी घुल सी गई तन्हाई. 1, 2, 3, 4. This whole section is happening after the words, like we did this step similarly. So now the whole bit looks like from the top, from the very beginning, it would look like हमने जो था नगमा सुना दिल ने था उसको चुना ये दास्तान हमें वक्त ने कैसे सुनाई. 1 and 2. हम जो घर है गमगी वो भी उधर खुश तो नहीं मुलाकातों में है जैसे घुल सी गई तन्हाई. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we finished somewhere here. From here it's very simple. We use our right hand on the left side and the left hand to the right side, and then we open our hands. Again, right, left, down. When I'm looking down, by default my face just goes down. It adds grace, so you can try that too. So from here it goes right, left, open, right, left, down. From here, we are going to show that flowers are blooming. We are going to show that using our hands. So, right hand first, left hand follows, right hand goes down. We switch. Now our right hand is a flower, left hand is down. Once again we switch and our left hand is a flower and right hand is down. After this, we just do a rotation of our right shoulder. So the whole thing now is right, left, out, right, left, down, right hand, right, left, right shoulder. From here, my left hand will become a curtain. I look and I close back. So I look and I close back. I place my left hand down and I open my right hand. Alright, so I move the curtain, close, place, open. My left hand now will go behind my right hand and pull it to my hand. And from here, I'm doing nothing to my hand. I'm just pushing it to the left side as it is. And from here, the word comes khiza. Khiza means autumn. So I'm going to use my right hand to depict the leaves of a tree that are falling. So my right hand just rotates, place. And then this hand comes down. Alright, once again from here, what did I do? I rotated my hand, I rotated my right hand again, I placed my right hand and my left hand came down. So from the beginning, it looks like right, left, forward, right, left, down, right hand, right, left, right, shoulder, curtain, close, left, right. Get it in, left side, right hand and left hand. When you finish this, it says Sare Sehme Nazare Hai. Very simple. Just open your hands, show everybody and drop your head down. From here, Sehme Nazare Hai is how you can express it. Either you show Sehme Nazare Hai by just moving your head up. Some people could show it just with your eyes. It's totally on you. Okay, so Sare Sehme Nazare Hai. From here, my left hand will become a pillow and my right hand is going to be placed where my palm ends, near the wrist. Like this. I will shift it. Now my right hand will become the pillow, left hand down. Alright? So, Sare Sehme Nazare Hai. Drop, drop. So left and right, left and right. After this, my right hand will go down in a circle and come over my left hand. Make sure there is space. What did I do? Sare Sehme Nazare Hai. Left hand, right hand, up, left hand comes up again. Okay, I just added one step. So, Sare Sehme Nazare Hai. Left hand circle, right hand up and again left hand up. Ensure there is a gap. Okay, so on the music it will be Sare Sehme Nazare Hai. Soe soe waqt ke dhare. Alright, so dha is your right hand coming up, re is your left hand coming up, and hai is with my right hand. I will show two waves. Now, with the waves, if your head is going simultaneously, it will add grace. Again, it's just an element that you would want to add if you want to. Starting again from here, it is right, left, open, right, left, down, right hand, right, left, right, shoulder, curtain, close. Left hand, pull, left side, right hand, open, down to up, left hand, right hand, left hand, right with a wave. Once you finish this, we are just left with one more line, but before that, I'm going to show you this entire thing on the sound, like on the words, how would it look like. So we finish somewhere here, and then it goes, मिलके भी हम मिलते नहीं, खिल के भी गुल खिलते नहीं, हा आँखों में है बहारे दिल में खिजा, down, सारे सहमे नजारे हैं, सोए सोए वक्त के धारे हैं. From here, my right hand is again on top, so I just simply take it outside and then in. So I just take a circle from the outside, I get it in, and my left hand just drops down. So this, my left hand drop. From here, my right hand is just going to use these 3 fingers and show like my heart has something to tell you. So just open, but I will shut it. Alright, because I don't want anybody to know it. So that's exactly what you're trying to depict. Alright, so after this, सोए सोए वक्त के धारे हैं और दिल में कोई is when you're holding it. Again you drop your left hand. With your right hand you again show your hand like you did earlier. So you show your hand from left to right. Now I will use these 2 fingers and show words coming out of my mouth. So open and show, but use your left hand to pull it back in and drop your hands down. My body is on the left side diagonal. So सोए सोए वक्त के धारे हैं. Right hand coming in, left hand holds, right hand shows, right hand talks, left hand brings down. Once you bring it down, your left hand will come over to your right side like this, and it will be placed here just for it to become a support for the right hand to come from right to left. Okay, it's as simple as that. Left to right and then right to left. Overall, this bit would look like, after this, मिलके भी हम मिलते नहीं, खिल के भी गुल खिलते नहीं, आँखों में है बहारे दिल में खिज़ां, सारे सहमे नज़ारे हैं, सोए सोए वक्त के धारे हैं और दिल में कोई खोई सी बातें हैं. Drop 1 2. That's it guys, the entire choreography is done. Once again, we'll do it on counts from the very top. It is right hand, right hand, circle, listen, right, left, crunch, right hand points, fish, book, clock, tick, tick, shell, mouth, open, down, right hand, back, center, right, left, open, up, point and say no, right, left, pull, up, wave, wave and up and right hand, left hand, look, up, right, left, open, right, left, drop, right hand, right, left, right, shoulder, curtain, close, left hand, right hand, bring it back, left side, right hand and left hand, open, slowly look up, left hand, right hand, right hand, right, left, right hand, right hand, right hand, left hand and talk, pull, left side, left hand and right hand. So on the entire song, I am very bad at singing, but I'm still going to try this just for you. Alright? So it is हमने जो था नगमा सुना, दिल ने था उसको चुना, ये दास्तान हमें वक्त ने कैसी सुनाई. 1 and 2. हम जो अगर है गमगी, हा वो भी उधर, खुश तो नहीं मुलाकातों में है जैसे घुल सी गई तन्हाई. 1 2 3 up. मिलके भी हम मिलते नहीं, खिल के भी गुल खिलते नहीं, out. आँखों में है बहारे दिल में खिज़ां, सारे सहमे नज़ारे हैं, सोए सोए वक्त के धारे हैं. और दिल में कोई खोई सी बातें हैं हो. That's it, you guys. Congratulations if you have survived this entire choreography. Huge claps, loud claps for all of you. Do not forget to make all beautiful covers with all you dressed up beautifully and giving beautiful expressions, because that is what matters the most. And do not forget to tag Vinayak, Saif, that is our Asif, me, Saina, Niranjani, Neha. Actually, tag everybody from our team. And do not forget to use the hashtag NatyaSocial and NatyaSocial Live. And do not forget to stay safe and keep dancing. Bye.